Welcome to the Mia Mentors Getting Started Guide. In just 3 easy steps, get Mia set up to guide your child to success. Let's start at the beginning. Setting up your child's account. On the left menu, select Children's Accounts and click on Add a Child Account. The only required fields are first name, date of birth, language, and the username or email. But here's a tip. The more info you provide, the better Mia can assist your child. If your child doesn't have an email, a username will do. Add a personal touch with an avatar. You can decide whether to allow your child to use a photo or not. But no worries, they can always select from our predefined avatars. Next, select your child's school program and grade. The subjects and goals you fill in will guide Mia without limiting the experience. Once the form is done, find your child's account on the left menu with all its stats and history. Now, on to the second step, associating a license to the account. Head over to the Settings menu, where you can manage associations. Just click the plus next to the licenses to associate. Each license lasts for a month. Lastly, log into your child's account to check and adjust settings. And that's it, you're all set. Discover the full potential of Mia Mentor. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. See you soon.